Welcome to all. Today we discuss some branches of accounting. In this topic, we discuss the main branches of accounting in detail. So, generally the main branches of accounting divided into the three branches. The first one is a financial accounting, the second one is the management accounting, and the third one is cost accounting. Other than these three branches, there are various branches of accounting also there. Namely, generally the tax accounting is there, investment accounting, forensic accounting, human resource accounting, corporate responsibility accounting. So many branches also there, but we only discuss in detail the main branches of accounting. So the first one, that is very important branch of accounting, that is the financial accounting. So what do you mean by the financial accounting? The financial accounting is a scientific and the systematic method of recording the day-to-day transactions of the business as per the accounting standards, accounting principles, and the accounting rules. So that's why the financial accounting is a branch which records the daily transaction on the systematic and the scientific method. Under this method, we prepare some important statement. So in that, the first one very important statement we prepare, that is the trading account. So why we prepare the trading account, or why the companies prepare the trading account? That the first very important objective of the trading account to know the gross profit or the gross loss. So that is the first objective of the trading account. The second statement we prepare under the financial accounting, that is the profit and loss account. So why we prepare the profit and loss account? So the main objective to prepare the profit and loss account to know the net profit or the net loss during the accounting period. And the third one very important statement we prepare under the financial accounting, that is the balance sheet. So why the companies or the business prepare the financial balance sheet? So to know the financial position of the company, we prepare the balance sheet. So the financial accounting prepares such types of statement to know the profitability of the company or the business, and to know the financial position of the company. So financial accounting provides the information to the internal as well as the external user of the accounting information. It means some creditors also use the financial accounting information, bankers also use the financial accounting information, investors, different types of lenders. Okay, so the number of stakeholders, it means the internal as well as the external stakeholders use the financial accounting information. The next one branch of accounting, we call for that the management accounting. So the management accounting is primarily concerned with the providing information to the management for better administration of the business, and it helps in decision making of the management and increase the efficiency of the business and maximization of the profit. It means in general sense, the management accounting only provide the information to the internal part of the organization. It means the internal stakeholder or the internal users of the organization. Management accounting is a such types of accounting which is directly related to the MIS, Management Information System. It provides the information to the management or the administrator to take the different types of decision for the better future of the organization. So which are the techniques used under the management? Some techniques are given. It means the budgetary control, how to control the budget, how to improve the performance of the organization. So the budgetary control, the one of the very important techniques used by under the management accounting. The next one, the fund flow and the cash flow statement analysis, also the one very important techniques or the tools used under the management accounting. And the financial statement analysis, those statements prepared under the financial accounting. So the analysis of such types of statements come under the management accounting. So that's why the management accounting play a very important role in the company to provide the necessary information to the management to take the different types of decision, to create the different types of business strategy, and so on. The next one, main branches of accounting, that is the cost accounting. So generally the cost accounting is generally used in the production related companies or the service render related companies. It is a systematic procedure to determine the unit cost of the output, produce or service render. It means in the cost accounting we generally say the costing. So what do you mean by the costing? The costing is nothing but it is a technique to ascertain the cost of per unit produced by the company. When the company produce any one unit, so to determine, to calculate the per unit cost of this product or this service, that is the that comes under the cost accounting. The main functions of the cost accounting are ascertain the cost of the product. Generally, the cost accounting helps to the management to control the cost of production and reduce the cost of the product. So that's why which are the different techniques used under this cost accounting. So we prepare the cost sheet, the marginal cost analysis, that also the one very important tools used under the cost accounting, standard costing, job costing. So many techniques we use under the cost accounting to determine the cost of the product or the service, to reduce the cost of the product or the service, to control the cost of the product or the service. Generally, please try to understand the financial accounting is totally different from the management accounting. Management accounting is totally different from the cost accounting as well as the financial accounting. The main objective of the financial accounting, that is to know the profit or loss of the company during the accounting period and to know the financial position of the company as on that date. It means the financial position of the company. The management accounting, the main objective of management accounting to provide the information to the management or the administrator to take the better decision for the future of the company. And the main objective of the cost accounting to ascertain or to calculate the per unit cost of the product or service render.